We have a really nice ENCO lathe here, 14 by 40. We can't get the electrical to start in the front here. However, if you push the contactor in the back, the machine runs. So my assistant's going to push it in. Leave it running there for a minute. Alright. As you can see, it does operate forward and reverse. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you the apron works. You can see the screw is turning. We're going to engage it. Go a little faster so the apron moves longitudinally. We'll switch over this gear here. Disengage this. You see the cross feed also operates. All the mechanical functions operate really nice on this thing. Alright, you want to go in reverse. Just going to let it stop. As you can see, it does go in reverse. I'll just back off of it. Just let it go. And then it has a couple speed. There's a little speed control here also, as well as speed controls up here. It just makes it go a little slower. Okay. Also comes with a 2-axis DRO, Analam, Wizard 411. Also comes with a 5C lever, collet extender. I'm sorry, it's a collet closer. The machine is very clean. It's unused. There's an inspection sheet right here. Checked all the mechanical functions, all the mechanical functions. Again, just had a little problem with the electrical in the front to get it to run. And we thank you for looking at our product.